Grüezi, buenos dias and hello. Welcome to a new episode of Big Numbers. I'm not telling you anything new by saying that March has been dominated by geopolitical events. But let's have a look at what this actually means for the SIX Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange. High volatility has resulted in high trading volumes across all segments. Overall, turnover on SIX Swiss Exchange and BME Exchange grew by 24% compared to March 2025, reaching 195 billion Swiss francs. Combined transactions were up 26% year-on-year, surpassing 10 million in a single month for the first time since March 2022. If we look at individual segments, equities recorded gains across both markets, plus 8% in Switzerland and plus 66% in Spain compared to March 2025. Speaking of equities, I'm happy that we have observed the improvement of our lit continuous market share for the fourth quarter in a row, both in Switzerland and Spain, and at a rate which outpaces our peers. In addition, the market environment has further boosted our market share in Swiss and Spanish equities. During times of uncertainty, trading tends to concentrate on the primary exchanges as participants opt for certainty of execution on the venues with the deepest liquidity and the best order book quality. We also had a new company joining the Spanish exchange. Aldiser joined BME Scale Up as the fourth company making its debut on BME's growth markets this year. ETF turnover on BME Exchange more than doubled, with the segment up 109% year-on-year. The Swiss ETF segment also saw strong growth, with turnover increasing over 33% in comparison to March 2025. On SIX Swiss Exchange, structured products saw the highest year-on-year turnover growth with a rise of 67%. In addition, structured product listings on the Swiss market rose by an impressive 143% over the last year, reaching 37,812 products in March alone. Another highlight in March, after several years, we have reclaimed the #1 spot in terms of product variety in Switzerland, offering investors a choice of 88,333 products. A record was reached by investment funds with an on-book turnover of 1.3 billion Swiss francs in March. That is the strongest monthly on-book turnover in 15 years and was heavily driven by a newly listed real estate fund. On the 3rd of March, Swiss Mobiliar Asset Management became a fund issuer at SIX Swiss Exchange and listed its Mobi Funds, Swiss Property Fund. The fund made the strongest debut ever, adding 400 million or 30% to the overall turnover last month. While volumes were up, indices were down. Having both reached new all-time highs in February, the blue chip index SMI and IBEX35 fell to 12,777 points and 17,015 points at the end of the month. On the plus side, both have started to recover from the lowest levels in March. Let's see where we stand at the end of April. I hope you join us again for the next edition of Big Numbers. Thank you very much and goodbye.